We're expanding from 1 minute to a longer format to make understanding formulas easier. With the extended duration, we can display complete data on screen and provide detailed explanations of the formulas. Please let us know your preference, short or long content. Comment below. In this new video, I have a nifty trick for you. Instead of struggling with horizontal subtotals, let's dive into the world of horizontal sum. To apply a sum horizontally, remember this handy sum shortcut, Alt plus equals. First, select the data range you want to sum up. Then, press F5, go to Special, select the blanks option, and hit Enter. Now, brace yourself for the magic, simply use the Alt plus equals shortcut, and voila! The sum is automatically calculated. But wait, there's more. What if you want to add up all these totals as well? No worries. Just select the columns and row where you want the grand total to appear, and once again, use the trusty shortcut Alt plus equals. And just like that, your grand total is ready to impress. If you're eager to practice these techniques and explore more exciting Excel features, I've got you covered. Simply click on the provided link to download the practice file. In our next short video, we'll dive deeper into this file and uncover even more amazing Excel tips and tricks.